This video will feature Carolina, a small female musk turtle you see right there, a whole bunch of Cory catfish. You can see one feeding right there next to Carolina. Amazingly, the catfish and the turtles get along very well in this tank. I have not had a casualty for a couple of years now, at least that I know of. I have about 16 of these catfish, and if I were to lose one I might not notice. Here's Muddy, a large female mud turtle, an eating machine. She's munching down there, I think, on Hikari carnivore wafers. Also feed them algae wafers and sinking wafers. The sinking wafers seem to be the favorite of all the turtles, but they'll all eat any of them, and of course the fish will eat any of them as well. I break them up into smaller pieces and scatter them around the tank, forcing the turtles to do a little hunting. They all sink. All three of those kinds of wafers are sinking wafers for bottom-feeding fish, but great for turtles too. If you look at the nutritional contents of those products, you'll notice that they're virtually the same as turtle pellets, even including vitamin D3, which is essential for bone development. Muddy is a kind of a sloppy little eater, and the fish love that. Other turtles and the fish as well tend to stay a little bit clear of Muddy. She can get a little snippy while she's eating and doesn't like to be interfered with. This little girl is sometimes aggressive with the other turtles, but never shows any aggression towards the fish, which is kind of amazing. The fish are sometimes almost as interesting to watch as the turtles. That's moss you see there on the bottom that just grows freely. It's not implanted or rooting or anything. It's free-floating moss. Those things started out as moss balls, round baseball-size balls of moss that you can buy in aquarium shops. But the turtles destroy them in time, and then they just sort of spread all around the tank and form kind of a bed on the bottom. They grow very slowly. They don't require too much light, fortunately. I don't do any siphoning in this tank. That may surprise some of you turtle owners out there. The catfish clean up any uneaten food the turtles miss. So basically I have nothing on the bottom except plant debris for the most part. A turtle and fish poop, of course, are happening all the time, and they dissolve fairly rapidly into the water. Much of it is filtered in the mechanical part of my wet-dry filter. The rest of it, of course, becomes ammonia, and a wet-dry filter very quickly dispatches with ammonia and breaks it down into nitrites and further down into nitrates. And then frequent partial water changes keeps that water quite clean. Fish are very healthy, and the turtles are too. Hope you enjoyed this video.